It is Mrs. Duck and her friends.
Hello, Mrs. Duck. If you've come for the picnic, you'll have to wait for the little boat, like me. Or you could just swim across, like you're doing. Here's the picnic hampers, everybody.
Hi, would you like some tea, Grumpy Rabbit?
Pepper and her family have been for a lovely day out in the mountains.
Time to go home. Back to the car.
Thank you for visiting the Mountain Beauty Spot. See you again soon.
No, George. You can't play with the car keys. You might lose them.
You're playing with the car keys, Daddy.
But I'm grown. I'm not going to lose them.
Oh dear, Daddy Big has dropped the car keys down a drain.
Right, let's go home.
That might be difficult.
Right. Daddy dropped the car keys down the drain. Oh, Daddy Pig.
Don't worry. I'll get the keys out of the drain with a stick.
We do actually. I don't know why. You don't get fish in the mountains.
We're not fishing for fish, we're fishing for keys.
My daddy dropped the car keys down the drain.
Oh, you'll never get those back. That drain's really deep.
What are drains for?
A drain takes the rainwater away to the sea.
The fishing line is not long enough to reach the keys.
My goodness. How deep is this drain?
We can see how deep it is by dropping a stone.
Good idea, Miss Rabbit. We can count how long the stone takes to reach the bottom.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Nine. Don't move.
Another one. Here, right here.
Okay, down.
No, right.
The cracker.
And look at the camera, Noah. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. You're looking at the camera and smiling. Yay! No opening present. No present. Starting now. Okay, Noah. Noah. Okay, Titi, you can have Noah's present. Okay, we're opening. Okay, come now.
Sit.
So that we can open when we're done. Okay, power ready.
Okay.
Oh my God, Stella! One, two, three. Sit up. Come on. One more.
We can still us.
Noah.
Sure.
Sit down on that. No. Ano?
Sila, sit down ng bala.
Stella,
Over there.
you need to see it.
Here. Go, Stella.
Oh my, she didn't see it. You're, oh my god.
Just put it in the garage.
Stella.
One.
Okay, ready. Here we go.
Good job.
Okay. All right. Noah, one good picture, please. One.
There you go. One, two, and three. There we go.
Okay.
Oh, wacky
one?
Yeah, I think that's the one.
Wacky.
Wacky. Wacky.
You didn't get to take it together, Paul.
3.
Oh my God. Are these all ours? Did you try?
No, it's not ours.
Just Tita Julie.
Ano ka tindog na niya? It's not ours. All that's the in front na sa dako ka bakit it's ours.
I think the ones behind you are Paul.
Yeah.
Poco.
Eh, muna sa alam mo sa may work mo.
Oh yeah, these are from work, that's why. So Lolo from Noah. Tito Paul from Noah.
That's mine.
From Tita. To Noah. From Mom.
What is that?
Ito to Jenny.
What is it?
Do not throw it away.
This is for us.
Tomorrow.
These are all for my work.
Eh, muna yan sa
Sabi
mga
nila eh.
si Manang Mana.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh! Ang nakakapindog na naila, ano na natin matong galalo na.
Okay, let's open.
There's no one. No, this is
Dad's, no? Which one?
Wala na.
No, or this one.
Look at me.
See it, Paul.
Tia Paul, Titi, Wula, Mimi, Mommy, look at me. Look at me. I'm gonna grab them. Guys,
What?
No, be careful.
Okay.
did you
Alright.
You wanna open your present first?
bouncing it?
Let's open.
Should we go from the youngest to the oldest?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
First, Noah. Alright,
Noah
Noah.
first.
Daddy, did you dad?
Oh
What is that?
Daddy,
Oh my gosh! He got a new iPad!
What did you get?
iPad.
iPad again? iPad to be broken?
What is that?
What's that?
Lock them, sock them.
Where did it?
Alright, stack them up.
Sino nagatag?
This is your
Yeah,
iPad.
you
I'm on it.
you mentioned the name.
This is
Noah.
for me.
You mentioned the name. Who gave you?
Baby, I got it.
Bakit
You're
ito?
gonna hurt
I think
yourself.
that's for Mamita.
Oh.
The rocket socket.
From Mimi. What is it? Smells like it's
Cloves.
cloves.
Put it here, put it here.
You like it? Pinapansin ito.
And then
Pinapansin.
Titi's present is coming next month.
Next month.
Wow.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
Okay.
I want to open it. I should have
Titi's
probably
the
let
next
So,
messenger.
ikapila na ng iPad, Noah.
Titi's
That is the
turn.
5th time?
Oh, yeah.
After, you have to wait till everybody opens hers. Titi got.
Hold on, we
Oh!
have to wait for everybody to open.
Vodka!
Ooh.
It's raining!
Nice.
That's for last
This is cool.
We're gonna start from
What is Starbucks?
Oh, nice.
Cool, let's bring it to the party.
Yeah.
I know, that's what I'm
That's
thinking.
why.
I said, I'll wrap it so you can
Yeah,
para
It's for both of us.
Oh, that's for Mama.
Yes, the box.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Don't destroy the box. If we're gonna recycle that next year.
Whoa, that was nice.
Nice.
I love the color.
What is that? Electric blanket?
Mama.
Is it? No, it's not.
From
This we have to pass it
Oh,
on.
from Tita Jane?
Oh yeah, we have to go to cemetery.
No.
Okay,
Tita
Paul.
Coco.
Mom, you're
Okay, this one's from
It's there on the table.
Lolo Dad.
Mama, it's on the table.
Aha.
It's on the table.
Lala Dad. Where's your Lala Dad?
Shorts? Oh, nice.
Hold on.
I'm having
Colombia.
Can you video?
Colombia shirt.
Oh, nice. I like the blue. Oh, I like.
And see what's that one, no? She said, oh, ako lang niyo.
I like it. It's
I told her, just borrow from home.
That
I know. I
that
know we need some more.
that is.
Next.
Who's this one from?
From,
This one's from Noah.
Noah.
Oh, Jordan
Yay!
Pants.
Oh, Jordan
Yes.
Pants.
Yes.
Oh, Reebok.
Woohoo!
I'm
Last
gonna have to wear
minute
this one
shopping.
now. Thanks, Noah.
Last minute shopping.
Nice. Ooh, V-neck.
Yay! Levi's.
Yeah, I
Levi's.
like it. Ooh.
Okay.
Yay! Thank you.
Who's next?
Alright.
Mimi? Daddy or Manang?
My turn.
Nice.
Noah, I got presents from my coworkers. I didn't open them yet. So that this is from Mama.
Oh,
You wait,
everybody.
Pangga, you wait.
Oh, a
Ooh.
sweater.
It's very much your style.
Noah, wait.
We're
We're gonna return it. Yeah.
This is from TT and Tito Paul.
Oh,
Yes.
open the first one first.
Why had the, how many?
Open this one first.
TT got a lot of presents. What is this? call Noah?
Yeah.
Open my I'll be like, are you sleeping already, Noah?
And set your reminders.
Oh, this is
And
the
then you
light
go,
that mommy was saying.
Alexa, turn off the
And
light.
then Noah is gonna say Alexa. Yeah. That was from. Oh, this is from me, mom.
For Mimi.
For Mimi.
He's looking at me.
What is this? Oh, thank you.
For your eczema.
Yay. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is why it's
Oh yay, my Tasha. Is it so fun? Oh yay, thank you, Mimi.
Welcome.
Aw.
Oh, this is from my coworker. Ooh, it's a frother.
Ooh.
Nice.
A notepad and candies. Look, candies. Oh, this is from Caressa.
Don't mind if I do.
Ooh, candle.
Ooh, I love candles.
Don't mind if I do.
Oh, this one my
A wallet.
wallet. That one I-
Check it na yung kasha sulod.
No, I already checked that.
Are you already
There's a
check that?
necklace. So she gave us a shell,
Uh-huh.
and we opened the shell.
Oh.
It's an oyster, and it actually comes with a pearl.
imo na ano ta.
Cute.
Stone mo na.
Yeah, I told her it's my stone, but I don't know how to open it now. But anyway, it's a different color pearl. Mine, I got purple pearl, and she bought this like necklace to put the pearl in.
Cute.
Yeah,
Thank you.
that's from Mary, our staffer. Not Mary, our CNL.
Wow.
I got a Starbucks gift.
Woohoo!
Oh no, this is a candle.
Or you can do that recycle ta kay may parlor games.
Candle.
Video.
Oh, that's Lila Inday. Kim. Oh yeah, this is the fresheners from. Oh, candles! I want candles. Thank you. Oh, this is my other. Ooh, Bath and Body.
Oh, I love that one. Gangnam.
Like Gangnam stuff?
Yeah, Gangnam stuff.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, thank
The
you.
collection is complete.
Oh my god.
Oh, wow. Still mine? Ito na talaga.
Yay mo na. Wala nang ngalan.
Cute! Yeah.
Oh, I need that in Cancun
Okay.
for my coffee.
This is actually really good for oh.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're getting that?
That is for my hot coffee.
I think so.
Your wifey.
No, I still have this.
Oh my god.
This was mine, no?
Yeah, imo na. Are you the boss?
Oh yeah, this is for Mary.
Yeah.
I have nothing. Yay!
Oh,
Wow.
Dude, it's all blue.
It matches the
All the blue stuff that
I
I'm
know.
getting. And then I think this one is mine too. From Aya. From Aya. Oh, she got me a Coach Chanel.
Wow. Oh my god.
That's what she asked.
Papatubang nga di.
That's
Patubang.
adorable.
Wow.
That's cute.
That is
What
really
is that? Size 10?
I think it's small for her. It's
Size
like,
Size 8.
She asked for my shoe size.
perfect.
No size 10, Noah.
Perfect.
All right,
All right.
Mimi, it's your turn.
Go
Go.
the camera.
Yeah.
Also very much your style.
Yes, very. Yours. Oh, that's from
From Tito Paul and
Tito Paul and
How do you
Titi.
open it?
Hold on, Mom.
No,
I'll help
what?
you.
Chill.
Oh, it's a sunscreen.
And there is an envelope. May I see?
Ako na ang envelope.
What's inside it?
Oh, what's the envelope?
Kamang-kamang.
Halina galing. Kaysa na galing.
From Tito Paul and Titi.
Gambling money!
May gambling money. Majjhong money. Ito na orto na eh.
Majjhong money!
That's from you.
From Titi again. What is that? For my rat. For my cockroaches.
Patubang nga di.
Hold on. It solves our problem. Cockroach!
What a cockroach.
Lola! Lola! Always a technical difficulty.
Okay.
Mimi, get over here.
Now the main attraction.
No, don't move.
What is this?
No, don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
I'm
Alright.
walking.
This one is looks like. Where did it come from? Gian and Paul. Oh, thank you. Merry Christmas. And let me see. Let me see.
Noah, my God.
Let me see.
Oh, so you're not gonna be in the camera?
Oh, it's a wallet.
Open it.
Ang wallet ng maswerte.
Look, got a new wallet.
A new wallet.
Just rip it.
I
Don't
think
touch
I
them
need
back.
to retire my
I'm gonna
10-year-old wallet. And, my God, look at that.
What?
Look at this. Who is that? Who's that? Who's this? Who's this boy? Who's that boy?
That's me.
That's you? No, this is my grandson.
Oh my God.
And let me see. Whoa! Magic! May balon na ko pakangkon. This is a lot of burrito.
Oh, that
And-
is this one.
Burrito and tacos. Ooh. This is worth 2,000 Mexican peso. Alright.
Nice.
No,
And-
do you want a notepad?
What is this? This is from
Mamita.
to my sister Mary Jane, and I know to Jamie, Merry Christmas from Jane and John. From Digiquilio and XXL.
What is that?
Oh.
Mini
Oh.
wallet.
After Cancun, I'm going to Lake
That's
Tahoe.
nice. That's cute.
Oh, Lake Tahoe.
Does it fit you?
And Reno, Nevada. Yes. I'm complete now.
Try it on though.
I'm complete. This is for Cancun. This is for Reno, Nevada. Let's see.
I know somebody
From
who's
Turkey.
too
I hope somebody remember the Turkey. Or the Vietnam. Oh! I don't like this. This is what gets me in trouble.
What? Here, give it.
No, I think it's different.
I tied it because so it doesn't.
No, because I need a new,
Mako, do you have scissors?
a new.
I have a rubber band that
I need
Ano,
a new belt
cut it.
because I lose a lot of weight.
reversible na ha?
That's reversible. You
Ano
can
na
use
na?
either side.
Dala na na
Yeah,
sa...
I think it's
Dala na na
different.
sa birthday mo?
Oh,
Dala na
wow.
sa Valentine's Day?
Sa
Mom said to
Valentine's
take off
Day,
the price.
for my
Yeah, don't
birthday,
take the price.
Thanksgiving.
Don't take off the price.
Don't take off the price.
Mom said don't
Okay.
take out the price. Because
Ah,
that's what
okay.
it is.
Okay, sino? Sino nga linis?
The 42. That's
From
Mimi.
my one and only to dad from mom. Oh my. Wow. This is expensive.
Yeah.
My God.
Take it back.
My God.
Give me the cash.
Oh my God. I will not tell the price.
Okay. You're not gonna take
But-
it off.
This is what I like.
Okay, good.
Okay.
One more from
Because I
Noah.
lose a lot of weight. I am 40 now. And who is this? Now, may sok-sok na ko.
Not skinny.
Pakanto.
Not
Oh, Lolo from Noah. Oh, Levi's
skinny.
501.
It's a 501?
And it's 44 waist. Oh my
Woohoo.
God, I lose. Oh wait, I think this is okay. Anyway,
That's 42.
anyway, I have a belt to go with it.
That's 42.
Oh.
44 waist.
Oh, okay.
The length is 30. The length is
Oh, so
okay.
you have a lot of
Now
movement.
I'm ready for Cancun.
Yay!
I have a new Levi's,
Merry
a new
Christmas.
belt, a wallet na maswerte with cash or burrito and what is tacos. Ooh.
What happened was I...
Oh, look at Benjamin. Look at Benjamin. Oh.
Okay. Noah's picture. And Noah's picture.
And Noah's
Merry
picture.
Christmas.
The most precious one. Naka-Korean.
I know.
Daw mahibi. Oh,
Let me
I
see.
think he's constipated. And
It's fine.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
This is for next
that's
month
cute.
after
that's
I
cute.
come back from
Where's that from?
Cancun
Okay, for Mimi.
or Lake Tahoe.
Oh, I
Ooh.
want these. From
Okay, Merry Christmas, everybody.
Okay, who's your
Merry Christmas. Yeah, I like this 501.
Thank you.
I think this is the right one.
I'm gonna wear some of them. I'm gonna wear some of them.
Oh, good, your body wash. Here.